Imagine a hidden marketplace humming beneath the visible web, where wealth quietly multiplies without daily oversight. For the affluent, passive income has evolved into an underground world of sophisticated strategies, private networks, and curated assets that generate returns while bespoke lifestyles carry on. This is not the clickbait of get-rich-quick schemes. It is an ecosystem engineered for capital, privacy, and efficiency. Begin with platforms that seem ordinary but are anything but. Asset-backed lending marketplaces, white-glove real estate platforms, and invitation-only peer-to-peer networks allow high-net-worth individuals to deploy large sums with minimal friction. These platforms curate borrowers, perform deep underwriting, and use legal structures tailored to protect principal. The result? Disciplined cash flow that looks passive from the outside, but rests on robust operational scaffolding. In short, passivity is bought and maintained through quality controls and exclusivity. Then there are digital alternatives that blur the line between art and investment. Tokenized real estate, fractionalized artworks, and NFT streams represent ownership sliced into tradable pieces. For the affluent, tokenization is a way to diversify into illiquid markets while retaining liquidity through secondary markets. It transforms unique assets into income-producing portfolios, royalties, lease payments, or platform fees, while keeping holders anonymous or pseudonymous if they choose. This underground approach leans heavily on bespoke custodial arrangements and discrete legal wrappers that protect identity and tax efficiency. Consider automated private equity vehicles. Family offices and wealthy individuals increasingly participate in microfunds that aggregate capital to invest in startups or niche businesses. These funds are often run by trusted advisors, offering managed exposure to high-upside ventures without the founder's time commitment. Returns are structured as carried interest and dividend-like distributions that mimic passive income. But the true magic is access, procuring deal flow that never reaches the public investor list. Another current involves the monetization of attention at scale. Curated content channels, premium newsletters, subscription podcasts, and gated communities are built by professionals who outsource operations. Writers, editors, and managers handle creation, distribution, and customer service. The owner leverages reputation and capital to either acquire existing properties or commission content, then collects predictable subscription revenue. These ventures feel passive because the founder's role is strategic rather than day-to-day. A darker yet significant dimension is the use of offshore jurisdictions and legal engineering to optimize tax and confidentiality. Trusts, holding companies, and multi-jurisdiction setups are arranged to shield income streams, reduce reporting burdens, and maintain anonymity. For the affluent, preserving wealth is as much about discretion as it is about return. These structures enable income to flow quietly and efficiently across borders. Technology stitches this world together. Machine learning models optimize portfolios, smart contracts enforce payouts automatically, and encrypted communication channels coordinate advisors and beneficiaries. Combined, they create systems that are resilient, low-touch, and scalable. Where traditional passive income once meant rental checks or dividends, today's wealthy harness software to convert complex investments into steady cash flow with minimal human intervention. Yet, the underground is not without trade-offs. Privacy and convenience come with complexity, cost, and regulatory scrutiny. Access is gated. Opportunities require trust, reputation, or significant capital. And the perception of passivity can obscure real risk market cycles, legal changes, and operational failures can all disrupt income streams. In the end, the affluent's underground world of online passive income is a study in intentionality. It's not magic, it's designed. Through curation, technology, and legal craftsmanship, wealthy individuals transform capital into income that seems effortless. The lesson for anyone watching is clear. True passivity at scale is bought with expertise, structure, and silence. What appears serene on the surface is often the product of a complex engine running quietly beneath, engineered to keep wealth working while its owners live their lives.